Hi, this is Sarita Sarkar, the founder of Madikeri Craft Coffee, Sarkar Kitchen, Bag Beans, and also one of the ex-co-founder of Kohe Cafe. So this is our Nagar Culture Club Center where we have the biggest Madikeri Craft Coffee which can accommodate 60 to 70 people. And we have collaborated with the FNCC Club, which is that they have been a great to us. They have been very supportive. But yes, to reach here was never a easy journey for sure. And I think I'm a hotelier for last 12 years and I've been running business for last 10 years plus. So I'm proudly say that this is my fourth venture. But every venture had its own struggling. And even today also we're struggling with something than other. But having said that, initially was a little bit tough like Sarkar Kitchen when we started from home. When the Bengali food wasn't famous in Hyderabad, neither women started working was famous in Hyderabad. So that's something I had a lot of challenges while doing the Sarkar Kitchen. But I think it's also taught me a lot of lessons. And then after we started, we were doing very well in Madhapur and everywhere. Then I had a follow. I had some health issues. I had a cancer. Then I became okay. Then again I started in AMB Mall. Then we had a COVID. Then we again restarted. We have done a lot of shuffling and struggling for the Sarkar Kitchen. My brother owns a coffee estate in Coorg, and my friend Chetan Reddy, when we went to the traveling, he was saying, I always want to do a cafe, but I want to do it with you because you have been to FMB for many years. So that's how the Kohe started with a lot of other founders also. And the Kohe's first trial happened with my coffee. And once we finished that one, then we started our, Bag Beans, which is Bag means striker and Beans Bag because my partner is an artist. So over there, that happened. And suddenly I got an opportunity. One of my friends said, why didn't you do something, one more cafe in our place? Because we started in 2045. And that's how we started Madikeri Craft Coffee. Because everybody knows the Madikeri means the moment you say Madikeri is known for the coffee, right? When I started Madikeri, I started popularizing only the cold brews and manual brew because Madikeri known for the very good Arabica beans, and Arabica beans give a beautiful your cold brews and manual brews and all. So I thought let me focus on that because for me as a person I can't consume Robusta because it gives me palpitation. So I decided I'll go for only the only the Arabica. But then over the time, a lot of people gave me feedback saying, that if you are Madikeri, you're saying yourself Madikeri, then why don't you add filter coffee, which is called Nalla Bella, which means black jaggery with the filter coffee. So that's how we thought about adding it. But having said that, then we got an opportunity in FNCC, and FNCC is like our regular coffee is filter coffee, so you have to add filter coffee. And that's how the even filter coffee we introduced. I'm a Bengali and half Mallu, half Bengali. Stayed in Vizag. Got a coffee plantation and my family coffee plantation in Coorg. So why not mix? That's how we added something called Gandhuraj cold brew, the lemon, honey, and the cold brew that we mixed, and that has become really popular. Touchwood, people love it. Then we also have introduced something called Madikeri masala tea, which is again famous in our cafe because the masala, the spices come from our own coffee estate. Somebody asked me, there are so many cafes. Why will you keep opening cafe and why will you think that people will come? I said, yeah, it is a challenging for everyone for that matter. But everybody have their own thing and own dream. So for me, if I'm doing this, for me, I'll focus on three things. For me to run a cafe or run any kind of hospitality business, your product, your service, and your hygiene is something that I think that's one of the very more important aspect. And rather than me, knowing how to make coffee, I'm trying to understand, how can we preserve a coffee beans after roasting for longer time? What is that we can infuse with the coffee cold brew with something so that, it has a more natural juices and all. Like we do sunrise fusion, we use pure Valencia orange or Mandarin orange and coffee. So do we have something introduced from the young coconut, wherein we take coconut, fresh coconut, we grind, and with the coffee we do that. Even the first from house, I used to do, because Zomato wasn't delivering that time and I started to go cook. Whenever Swiggy Zomato order comes, I go, I cook and I deliver through my scooty. And that's how I met a lot of people. Like I met Nandini Reddy over that time, during that time. There are a lot of funny incidents also I had. And when I started a small restaurant, I had faced a lot of challenges. For example, financially was the biggest challenges. Manpower was the second because I was too young, and the people whom I was hiring from Calcutta, who are like about 30 or 45 or something, they were not ready to listen to me much. But however, I somehow managed. The biggest deal was the place where I got to run the cafe. Sorry, run the Sarkar kitchen. There was one tiffin center was running for last 11 years. There were two gentlemen who was running, and they were not ready to accept me as a woman. Madikeri, again, I would say, as I told you, we have introduced something called Gandhuraj cold brew from Calcutta. The same way we have as Sarkar Kitchen, my first child, and it will remain always my first child. So we have shut down Sarkar Kitchen for a while, but we are doing caterings in behalf of Sarkar Kitchen. And we are selling Sarkar Kitchen's signature cutlets, chicken cutlet, veg cutlet, samosas in Madikeri and Bagh Beans both. So we have Madikeri also become famous for Sarkar Kitchen chicken cutlet. We have become famous for the Changra Chinese. We become famous for the chicken cutlet sandwich. So apart from Gandhuraj cold brew and coffee from Kodagu, this thing. So that's the thing. I think Madikeris, if you talk about it, there's something that I always bring. I want to bring or put it as a Indian premium brand for me, to be precise. Because I have one more cafe called Bagh Beans, and somebody asked me, oh, you started Bagh Beans a 1.5 year back, then you started Madikeri now. They both are competing each other because it's very next to each other. As you know, they both have very different segment. Like, Madikeri is more of a, more of experiences center and all for the coffee and for the food, I must say that. Bagh Beans also very beautiful experience especially for the young generations who want to spend time on knowing the art, knowing the calligraphy, knowing the painting, because my partner is a painter over there, he's an artist. And knowing the understanding the all kind of mix of the fusion food. And my head barista, who's my main manager for all the cafes, he's keep doing a new menu, new trial tasting and all. You have a manpower issue, you have rent high issue. There are days when we don't have a time, we don't have a fund to pay my employee salary also. But for me, my team, everybody is like my family, so that's something we focus more. And always I believe in human power is more important, because we Sarkar Kitchen got more than 21 awards. And whenever people say you did so wonderful job, and I would say no, it's my team. So yes, my team being the biggest support of my life, I guess. And I think without them, I can't run, I can't do anything. The same way you guys are support of running this business. So please visit Madikeri Craft Coffee. We have a 3 location, as I told you: Jubilee Hills, road number 62, FNCC Club, and one is in road number MLA Colony with Kadili Kitchen. So we also have an Instagram page called Madikeri Craft Coffee. You can follow us, please. Thank you so much.